In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a group in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're cleaning up your groups or simply need to remove one that's no longer in use, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step, ensuring it's as straightforward and painless as possible. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Teams and sign into your account. If you're not signed in already, head to the Teams application or the Teams website and enter your login credentials. This will take you to the main interface where you can see all your different groups, chats and meetings. Having easy access to all your groups here is crucial because it simplifies managing them. Once you're logged in, take a look at the list of groups on the left-hand side of your screen. Find the group you wish to delete. You might have several groups here, so make sure you select the correct one that you want to remove. Next, move your cursor over to the group name and you'll see three little dots appear beside it. Now this little menu is key because it gives you further options related to your group settings. Clicking on these dots, sometimes referred to as the ellipsis or more options, will open up a drop-down menu with various actions you can take for this particular group. In this drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled delete. Carefully select this option. It's worth noting that deleting a group is irreversible, so be sure that you definitely want to proceed with removing it. If you're still uncertain, consider backing up any important information from the group just in case, or confirm with group members this is the intended course of action. Once you've clicked delete, you will be prompted to confirm your choice. Microsoft Teams wants to ensure that you've really decided on this action, as there's no turning back after this. Confirm your decision, and with that the group will be removed from your list. It's as simple as that. You've now successfully deleted a group in Microsoft Teams. Remember, this process will permanently remove the group and all its associated chat history, so do make sure there's nothing important you'll be losing before confirming the deletion. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this video has been helpful in assisting you with managing your Microsoft Teams groups. Feel free to reach out in the comments with any questions or if there are other topics you'd like to see covered. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch our other tutorials for more helpful tech tips. Have a great day.